Hey, how you doing? Toris here. So today I'm coming with a short video. I have received a very stylish looking laptop stand from BoYata and I'm really happy with it since I always wanted something similar on my desk so I can be more organized. The assembly is really easy, it's literally 3 pieces and of course it's toolless. So apparently this stand is sturdy enough to handle 4.5 kg and I have really put to the test when I put my Alienware laptop on it. It has got 4 big rubber feet, so I'm sure it won't slip around on my desk, but let's see if it can handle this beast. And there we have it. My laptop is about 3.5 kg, so it can handle it without any issue. Also, the rubber mat and the protective hook will stop the laptop slipping around. I can also say that I was a bit worried if the stand closes the airway for the fans, but so far I had no thermal issues, so there's that. So overall I'm satisfied with this product and it's perfect for what I wanted it for. Anyway, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe if you are a fan. Thank you ever so much for joining me and I will see you in the next one.